The product we test today is Baseus Time Aromatherapy Machine Humidifier. The high-quality aluminum alloy material matches the car interior, and the humidifier body can be easily placed in a cup holder. This Baseus humidifier adopts a powerful turbo blower to send out the mist, which atomizes water molecules into micro-mist through high-frequency sound waves. It has larger fog volume compared with other products in the market. It can be adjusted by one button between two spray modes: continuous spray and intermittent spray. The three-color atmosphere light also helps relieve the tension and fatigue of the journey while keeping the air moist. Add aromatherapy and skincare essential oil to effectively remove the odor in a car. Add disinfectant to relieve dryness of the air and prevent the spread of bacteria. The USB interface can be connected to the power supply ports in cars, computers, and power banks, suitable for multiple scenarios.